Good morning. It is August 11th, 7:50. We're ready to go. Underway, I guess a little over an hour. Slowly making our way out of Cape Canaveral. We'll be making our turn to the north here in a few. Here we are about 2 hours in. We're just about at our maximum distance that we're going to be from land. We're going to now start turning more into land so that we get closer to the coast and then come in where we just end up right at the entry to Ponce Inlet. I'm going to go check water flow out of the engines real quick. And Jeannie told me I can't fall over, so yeah, you can see water coming out of the port engine.
dolphins?
No, no dolphins. Time to make our turn.
So is that 20 degrees?
Yeah, I just did a 20 degree offset from where we were. Got some company out here. It's like a express type cruiser. I'd say he's booking along a little bit more than us, but yeah, we're definitely going to get a wake from him. But well, let's see what it's like to get a big wake. Here it comes. Get ready. Pretty uneventful. Well, it is a little after 1 o'clock. We've been underway for 5 hours. We've gone 51 miles. Still got 40 miles left. You can see we're on a course to take us closer and closer to the Ponce Inlet. And everything so far seems to be going really well. No major issues. I have the same chart package for the big displays, but I didn't get a chance to set it up. We have picked up some wind. You can see the ripples on the water and everything, so that was expected. We are now 6 hours in. We have 16 more miles to go to get to the Ponce de Leon Inlet, and then we have about 30 miles. There's 10 miles after that to get to, actually about 14 to get to Halifax. Marina. It's been very smooth, so hopefully that will continue. Later. We are now 3 miles from Ponce Inlet. It's about 24 minutes. And everything continues to progress without issue. Of course, it's going to get exciting here in a moment once we have to enter the inlet and then navigate the intercoastal.
Inlet, and we're in the Halifax River now. There's a lot of beautiful homes on the river. How much farther to our Marina?
9.7 miles.
We are in the intercoastal waterway.
Heading for Daytona. splashing the docks endlessly.
We made it. We got stuck a couple of times, but we made it. And we just got stuck once we were in the marina.
Good morning. It is a little after 8. We are here in Daytona on August 12th now. We have slightly different scenery. Of course, you've probably already seen the arrival video and everything. Yeah, we got here, I don't know, about 5:30. Really good trip up. And I'm just doing some straightening up right now. Anyway, later.
So the plan had been today, on Saturday, we were gonna sleep, we were gonna relax, we weren't gonna do any boat work. I did get to sleep in, but he was up at 4, 5 o'clock, already starting boat work. Let's see, what all has he done today that I know of. He's put sun film screen up on a few windows. And then we just fixed a plumbing hose that needed to be held in place. And now we're changing the media air conditioner from keel cooled to seawater cooled. So this is doing nothing on Saturday.
That's right.
According to plan. It is August 13th, Sunday. We are doing a few things on the boat this morning, and then we'll drive back to Cape Canaveral. So one of the things we're doing is putting a reflective film on some of the windows. And here is Bill outside cleaning one of the windows. So now that he's cleaned it, I come out here and I spray soap and water, very little soap, lots of water, on the window. And the wind. And the wind shows up. Right on.
There's our old dock, soon to be replaced. Oh my goodness, they're all gone. It's just amazing.